Assalamualaikum. Greatness.
Now we have a vibrant group dance, visible and the visible invisible. Now we have a special meme act. Let's see what message he has to his silent performance.
नहीं कि तुम हार दो। मान मान शान याद शान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो।
Spoke louder than words. Following that, Mohammed Abrar from class 8 will deliver a speech in English.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to one and all present here. Respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. A day of great nation, a day of pride, a day of honor and a day of remembering the sacrifice of our brave freedom fighters. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from British rule. After the years of struggle, pain and sacrifice, leaders like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was not just with the weapons, but they were with courage, truth and determination. We are lucky to be born in a free India, where we have right to speak, right to express a dream, but with the freedom comes to a responsibility to be a good citizen, to respect the nation and work hard to make India proud. Let's not take this freedom for granted. Let us salute the spirit for the freedom fighters and promise to contribute to our country growth. So today, let us raise voice and stand together. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Happy 79th Independence Day to all teachers, students and my dear friends. Thank you.
I would like to invite class 5th B to the stage to present their look for fancy dress show. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to one and all present here. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Muhammad Asim from grade 5th. I am here presenting the role model of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Muhyiddin Ahmad was born on 11 November 1888. He was one of the foremost leaders of the Indian freedom fighter. He was also a great scholar and poet. He was appointed as independent India's first Minister for Education. At last, on 22nd February 1958, he was left from the world. Jai Hind, thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and very good morning to one and all present here. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, myself Muhammad Ghaus from grade 5th. I am here to presenting the role of Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan was born on 20 November 1750. Tipu Sultan was the son of Hyder Ali. Tipu Sultan was a great freedom fighter who fought many wars against the Britishers. Tipu Sultan was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore. He is also known as Tiger of Mysore. Famous this quote was, "It is better to live like a lion for a day than to live like a jackal for 100 years. Jai Hind. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to one and all present here. Respect principal, teacher and dear my friends. Myself Zaran Sharif from grade 5th. I am here presenting the role model of Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad born 23 July 1906 in Madhya Pradesh. He was very brave, and fearless fighter. He adopted the name Azad, means freedom. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to one and all present here. Respected principal, teacher and my dear friend. Myself Mohammad Muzakir from grade 5th. I am here to presenting the role of Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. He was son of Motilal Nehru. Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Independent India. He was loved children. He called Chacha Nehru. His birthday celebrate on Children's Day.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to one and all present here. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Muhammad Nihal from grade 5th. I am here to presenting the role of Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack. He was popularly known as Netaji. His own newspapers Swaraj. Today our biggest national slogan is Jai Hind, which is given to us by our Netaji. He gave a famous quote, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very good morning to all present here. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friend. Myself is Syed Muhammad Faiz from grade 5th. I am here to presenting the role of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was born on 3rd December 1884 in Bihar. He was the first president of India. He was a freedom fighter, lawyer and social activist. In 1934 he was declared President of Indian National Congress. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning to one and all present here. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Likit A from grade 5th. I am here to present the role of Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was born on July 19, 1827 in Uttar Pradesh. He was the first freedom fighter and he was the brave soldier. He protected animal fats from rifle cartridges. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you for your wonderful effort and for making the event more colorful. Next, a speech in Hindi will be given by Muhammad Uzaid from class 9.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर भाषण। मेरे पाठशाला के सम्मानीय प्रधानाचार्य निदेशक, मेरे सभी सम्मानित शिक्षक और प्यारे दोस्तों को सुप्रभात। सर्वप्रथम आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हम भारत के 79 वर्ष स्वतंत्रता दिवस को मनाने के लिए यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि आज के ही दिन सन 1947 को हमारा देश आजाद हुआ था। आज का दिन हम समस्त भारतीय नागरिकों के लिए महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। ये वही दिन है जब हमें भारत के महान नेताओं, सेनानियों और द्वारा कठिन के बाद ब्रिटिश शासन से आज़ादी मिली। हम भारतीय प्रत्येक वर्ष 15 अगस्त को स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाते हैं और अपने महान नेताओं और स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को नमन करते हैं जिन्होंने भारत को आज़ादी दिलाने में अपना बलिदान दिया। हम सभी को भारतीय होने पर गर्व होना चाहिए। अपने देश और राष्ट्र ध्वज का सम्मान करना चाहिए। मेरे राष्ट्र ध्वज के सम्मान में कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहूँगा। देश सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। स्वतंत्र दिवस के इस शुभ दिन पर हम सभी मिलकर राष्ट्र की एकता और अखंडता को बनाए रखने का प्रण लेते हैं। कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ अपने बात को समाप्त करता हूँ। आज़ादी की कभी शाम नहीं होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे। बचे हो जो एक बूंद भी गरम लहू के, तब तक भारत माता का आंचल नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Mohammad Hussain, for your dedicated speech. Now we have a vibrant group dance on theme of Mere Desh Premio performed by Arshad and group from class 8.
नफरत की लाठी तोड़ो, लालच का खंजर फेंको, जिद के पीछे मत दौड़ो, तुम प्रेम के पंछी हो, एक प्रेमी हो। आपस में प्रेम करो, देश प्रेम हो, मेरे
Wow, what a wonderful performance it was. Thank you, Arshad and group, for that goosebump and energetic performance. We have a speaker, Prajwal.
ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಅತಿಥಿ ಮಹೋದಯರೇ, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನ ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ದಿನವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. 1947ರ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ಅನೇಕ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರ ರಕ್ತ, ಬೆವರು ಮತ್ತು ಕಣ್ಣೀರಿನ ಹನಿಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದೊರೆತಿದೆ. ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರ ಅಹಿಂಸಾ, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ ಶೌರ್ಯ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಅವರ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಇವೆಲ್ಲರ ತ್ಯಾಗದಿಂದಲೇ ಇಂದಿನ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಭಾರತ ಉದಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವರು ಬಿತ್ತಿದ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂವಾಗಿ ಅರಳಿವೆ. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಎಂದರೆ ಕೇವಲ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗುವುದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಭಯದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗುವುದು, ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದಲೂ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗುವುದು, ಅನ್ಯಾಯದಿಂದಲೂ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗುವುದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಕಾಪಾಡುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. 2025ರ ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ: ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರವನ್ನು ತೊಡೆದು ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಲುಪಿಸೋಣ, ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡೋಣ, ಉಗ್ರವಾದವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಯೋಣ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತದ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎತ್ತೋಣ. ತಮ್ಮ ತ್ರಿವರ್ಣ ಧ್ವಜ ಗಗನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ಕೇವಲ ಬಣ್ಣಗಳ ಸಂಕೇತವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಏಕತೆ, ಧೈರ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸಂಕೇತವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಆ ಧ್ವಜ ಹಾರಾಡುವಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳು ಹಾರಾಡಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್ ಎಂದು ಘೋಷಿಸೋಣ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಶಬ್ದವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ತಾಳ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಭಾರತದ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, Prajwal. Now we will move on to the patriotic session. Now I call upon Zoya and group from class 6 on the theme Teri Mitti.
तलवारों पे
माँ के पेट से मरगट तक है तेरी कहानी, बुग बुग प्यारे दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे, दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल।
झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती। वतन उनको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान लुटा जाएंगे। फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों में, हम बीट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। है वतन
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। वंदे मातरम 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 वंदे मातरम।
मिट्टी में मिल जा फूल बन के मैं खिल जाऊं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं, तेरे खेतों में लहरा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझे पे दिल कुर्बान, तुझे पे दिल कुर्बान।
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, लबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। यहाँ चोरी छाती वीरों की, यहाँ बोली शक्लें हीरों की, यहाँ गाते रांझे, क्या गाते रांझे, मस्ती में मचती है धूमें बस्ती में।
Thank you for the graceful performance, a heartfelt tribute to our motherland. Now we have a performance by Class 7 titled Unsung Heroes. What do you mean by unsung heroes?
Unsung heroes means whose names are not written and are not being celebrated.
Oh, is it so?
They are not unsung heroes, they are unsung heroines.
Put your hands together and welcome our unsung heroes.
Some names shine in books, others born in silence. They were not just women, they were fire, they were faith, and they were freedom. The first hero I wanted to call is Jhalkari Bai. The queen must escape safely. The enemy is closing in. Give me her clothes. I will fight in her place. But Jhalkari, if they find out, they will kill you. Ah, so the great Rani Lakshmibai finally comes to surrender. I do not surrender, I fight. No, something is wrong. This is not the fool. I am Jhalkari Bai, a soldier of Jhansi, a Dalit woman. You thought you could kill the queen? You will die trying. I was born unknown, but I died as a warrior. I didn't wear a crown, I wore courage. The second hero I wanted to call is Velur Nachiyar. The British killed my husband. They stole my kingdom, but I will not beg. I will fight. Quickly, are our soldiers ready? Yes, Rani, we will attack tonight. I am ready, even to die. The British have a weapon store. We must destroy it. Quickly, you are brave. You will carry the fire. I will. Let me be the spark that burns their power. She did it quickly, gave her life, and gave my kingdom back. You destroyed our weapons. Who are you? I'm Velur Nachiyar, Queen of Shivaganga. This land is not yours. Leave before I destroy more. Before Rani Lakshmibai, before the world noticed, I found the British. I was not in the book, but I was in the battle. The third hero I wanted to call is Matangini Hazra. Brothers and sisters, today we march not for ourselves, but for the soul of our motherland. The British think we are weak. Let us show them our strength is in our unity. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Enough! Disperse immediately. This march is unlawful. You will be arrested. Unlawful?
Hello.
It is your rule here that is unlawful. You have taken our land, our food, our freedom, and you dare speak about law? Madam, you go home. You are old. This is dangerous. I may be old, but my spirit is younger than yours. If my bones can walk for freedom, why can't your heart stand for justice? This is your last warning. Turn back or face the consequences. I will not turn back. You can jail me, beat me, even kill me, but you cannot kill the dream of freedom. This flag will reach our people even if I fall. The order was given to fire. The first bullet hit her up, but she did not let go of the flag. The second bullet struck her chest. She stumbled yet moved forward. The third bullet, but even then she held the flag high above her head. My life is yours, Mother India. Vande Mataram. She fell to the ground, but the flag never touched the dust. That day, the old woman of Kamluk became immortal in India's history. Last but not the least, The fourth hero I wanted to call is Bikaji Rustam Kama. In the early 90s, far from India's soil, a brave woman raised a voice. She was Bikaji Rustam Kama. She was fearless, determined, and very brave. Bikaji. Bikaji, the British keep silencing our voices in India. How can we make the world listen? If they silence us in India, we will speak them from the foreign soil. The world must know our suffering. But Bikaji, the British will be watching you if you speak in public. They will try to stop you. Let them try. Our freedom is worth any risk. I will speak at the Socialist Congress in Germany, and I will carry with me a symbol, our flag. On 22nd August 1997, in ISC leaders from around the world gathered, and there in a hall full of foreigners, Bikaji Kama took the stage with the first version of our national flag in her hand. Friends, I am not here for myself, but for the millions of people in my country who suffer under British rule. This flag is my flag. This flag is a flag of Indian independence. Bikaji, you have done it. The world will now remember India's struggle. No, sir, this is truth, and truth can never be silent. The day will come when this flag will. No, sir, this is truth, and truth can never be silent. The day will come when this flag will fly freely over an independent India. Bikaji, you have done it. The world will now remember India's struggle. This is only the beginning. Freedom is not won in a day, but every voice, every action will bring us closer. What the? तो वहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्य में जयते, जहाँ नारा है, वहाँ हिंदुस्तान हमारा है. Next we have a unity theme skit infused by Nazra and group from class 8.
भारत की मस्जिद तोड़ो ये श्री राम नहीं कहते। रोटी का कोई धर्म नहीं होता, पानी की कोई जात नहीं होती। जहाँ इंसानियत हो जिंदा वहाँ मजहबों की बात नहीं होती। हिंदू खतरे में है, किसी को लगता है मुसलमान खतरे में है। धर्म का चश्मा उतार कर देखो मेरे दोस्त, पता चलेगा कि हिंदुस्तान खतरे में है। धिक्कार बनकर जो हम धर्म के नाम पर फर्क करते हैं, कुछ उन परिंदों से सीखो जो मंदिर मस्जिद हर जगह होते हैं। न गीता बुरी है, न कुरान बुरा है, न हिंदू बुरा है, न मुसलमान बुरा है, न अल्लाह बुरा है, न भगवान बुरा है। भेजे में जो घुसा है वो शैतान बुरा है। दुआ करो हमारा भारत फिर से महान बने, हर हिंदू विवेकानंद और हर मुसलमान कलाम बने। हाँ से हिंदू, माँ से मुसलमान और हमसे है ये सारा हिंदुस्तान।
सलाम सुफलाम अलैहि सलाम सत्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सारा जहां देख लिया, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद जो मेरे साथ मुझको तड़पा दिलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, मम्मा तुझे सलाम। है ना झुकने देंगे आजाद तिरंगा हमारा। खाते हैं कसम इस माटी की, इस पे जान लुटा देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। हम एक हैं, एक रहेंगे, ना बटे हैं ना बटने देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।
Thanks Nazra and group for a splendid performance. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea after his death will incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. Now I call upon Archana and group for the skit titled Wings of Will.
Have you seen this? Our Indian Army has conducted a successful surgical strike.
Oh, really? That's great. Here is a letter.
Asma? Asma, where are you? Come here quickly.
What's the matter? Why are you so upset?
Wait, you will be upset too. Let her come. Asma!
Yes, sir. What's the matter?
What is it? You had applied to join defense?
What? How could you even think about it?
She had applied for the exam and this is her appointment letter.
Asma, is it true? You had gone so far without informing us. Mom, Dad, I knew you won't permit me to pursue my dreams. I had always wanted to serve my country.
There are many other ways to serve your country. Go for IAS, IPS and serve your country.
But Dad, I want to become a frontline warrior. I'm passionate about the zeal, attitude, uniform and the valor. Asma, please understand, you are all we have. How can we consent to send you to face death every day? If I were a boy, would you say the same? You would be proud of me, right? It's just because I'm a girl, you're not ready to send me.
Yes, you are right. Defense is not for girls and I will never send you. We are looking for a groom and you will get married as soon as possible. And you will get married as soon as possible.
Asma? Asma? Where are you? Asma? Oh my god, what is this? Dear Mom and Dad, please forgive me for disappointing you. You have left me with no choice. I had to leave. I want to be in the Indian Army. It's my only dream since childhood. I wish you could feel proud of me. I will miss you a lot. Bless me so that I can become a brave soldier, not less than any boy. With love, your disobedient daughter, Asma. Asma!
What is this? Why are you crying?
See this. Our Asma has left. She is gone. Our daughter is gone. Please bring her back.
No, I won't. She has left the house without our consent. She has to come back on her own. You don't worry. Do you think military training is easy? She will come back soon. Let her face the reality. She will be back.
Boys and girls, welcome to the Indian Army. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow onwards, intense training will start. You will get your agenda by tonight. Remember, there is no mercy for anyone during training. Louder! Stand at ease.
Sir, this is Asma Malik. I'm also part of this camp.
Oh, really? But you are late.
I'm sorry, sir. I have come a long way.
Show me your appointment letter. Is this a joke? And you are expected to join the army with this seriousness?
Please, sir, allow me to join the camp. I have left everything behind only to join the camp. My father didn't consent to let me come here. I have left my home. Please give me a chance. I will not disappoint you.
Okay, I will see you for a month. If you can prove yourself, you will be a part of this camp.
Thank you, sir.
Group, I will see you all tomorrow. Be ready for the training. Dismiss now.
So, delicate darlings, are you going for this tough training?
Leave it, yaar. They will run away in 3 days.
You are wrong. They will run away in 2 days. Challenge.
Look at them. How will we survive here if they behave like this?
I'm really nervous. Shall we quit? I'm also doubtful they will not let us survive here. No, I won't quit. I'm fighting with it at my home also. Why shall we give up? Just because these men think that we are weak? We can't be the frontline warrior?
If we quit, they will win. I will try till my last breath. I want to break this taboo. We are also with you.
Asma kept her promise. She didn't keep any stone unturned to complete her training. She tried and tried and tried. She failed, but only to stand up again. She didn't give up. इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता। इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की मंजिल से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहेंगे को चल रहा है तू, लोहे का चल रहा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, हर बंदेया हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, बंदेया हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह,
Hello? Mom? Asma? How are you, my child?
I'm perfectly fine, Mom. How are you and Dad?
We are also okay. I am always worried for you, and so is your dad.
I know, Mom. I am sorry for what I have done. But can I request you something? This 15th August, can you and Dad come here at our camp? Please, Mom. Please come.
This Independence Day. Okay, I will try to convince your dad.
Okay, Mom. I will eagerly wait for you.
Bye, my child.
Bye, Mom. I love you both.
Come, come, this way. Stand here.
But where is our daughter? Can you see her?
No.
Excuse me, are you Azma's parents?
Yes, sir.
Major KP Singh, Commander-in-Chief. I am Azma's mentor.
Oh, hello, sir. Where is our daughter? Is she okay?
She is perfectly alright. She has successfully completed her training. She is the best of the troop. There she is, Wing Commander Azma Malik. You know what? We always think big for our sons, and the dreams of our daughters are often torn off. Like this. Our daughters also need encouragement, but we fail to believe in their dreams.
Yes, sir, you are right. I was wrong. And today I can say without any doubt, I am proud of her.
We are proud of her.
Good morning, everyone. Colonel Sophia Qureshi, a proud daughter of Muhammad Qureshi and Amina Qureshi of Vadodara and a tribal in the Indian Army, became the first Indian resolved during Operation Sindoor. On May 7, 2025, she stood before the nation and the world to announce the success of this precise intelligent divine mission launched in response to the April 22 Pahalgam terrors. With calm authority, she detailed how 9 terror camps of Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba and Hizbul Mujahideen across Pakistan were destroyed. With 0 civilian casualties, she presented video evidence from targeting systems and drones, proving the accuracy and purpose of the strikes. Her confident presence alongside India's military strength is matched by the leadership of its women officers. As her mother said, this operation avenged the Sindoor of her sisters and mothers. Colonel Sophia's role in Operation Sindoor was not just to brief the world, but to embody the courage, discipline and determination that defines India's armed force. Good morning. Wing Commander Vyamika Singh of Indian Air Force played a pivotal role in representing India's strength during Operation Sindoor, a seasoned helicopter pilot with over 2,500 flying hours and years of service in challenging terrains. She brought unmatched operational credibility to mission's official briefing on May 7, 2025, standing alongside Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri. She detailed how 9 terrorist camps across Pakistan and Pak were destroyed. In praises, intelligence lead strikes ensuring 0 civilian casualties. Her confident delivery, backed by video evidence, showcased the professionalism and accuracy of the operation. In that moment, Wing Commander Vyamika Singh not only reported a military success but also became a powerful symbol of women's leadership in India's defense forces. Thank you.
Thank you. That was a fantabulous performance by Grade 9. Yes, indeed it was a clear-cut explanation how willfully, being a girl, she wanted to serve army. Now, let's start. Around for a group song, a beautiful song that will fill our hearts with patriotism. The song is titled Desh Mera by Muskira and group from class 5th.
रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। खैर दी दीवाने की राहों सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही तेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, लिखर में शामिल तेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे चल गए, कोई सन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी रूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। Thank you.
Thank you. That was a soulful song, a beautiful tribute to our nation. As we come to the final session of our patriotic, we have a powerful skit by Class 10. Are you wondering what is so powerful? It is all about Operation.
हंसी की वो गूंज चीखों में तब्दील हो गई और फिर हमारी भारतीय सेना ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के माध्यम से आतंकी रेडियो को करारा जवाब दिया।
चलो ना,
रुको बाबा, चलते हैं, जरा ये मौसम देखो कितना खूबसूरत है।
ढूंढ रहा था कोई नाम सा, और तभी उन तमाम भीड़ में से 3 आतंकवादी आते हैं।
हिंदू है या मुसलमान? हिंदू। क्या नाम है तेरा? विजय नारवाल।
तुझे हम नहीं मारेंगे, तुझे जीते हुए हर रोज मरता देख और भी अच्छा लगेगा। अब जा और अपने सियासी लोगों से बोल कि किसने तेरा ये हाल किया।
मुझे
कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी।
नया हिंदुस्तान घर में घुसेगा नहीं, हम मारेंगे।
मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था। इस कार्रवाई में 9 टेररिस्ट कैंप को टारगेट किया गया और पूरी तरह से इसे बर्बाद किया गया।
धर्म पूछ के मारा था, धर्म बता के मारेंगे। नाम पूछ रहा था ना तू? मेरा नाम कबीर खान है और मैं एक हिंदुस्तानी हूँ। तुम आतंकवादियों का कोई धर्म और मजहब नहीं होता।
What performance it was. Operation Sindoor is not just a name but a reflection of the efforts of millions of Indians. The true wealth of India is its brave soldiers. That was an absolutely spectacular performance. The passion and energy of the stage were truly infectious. It is now time to thank everyone who made this day special. I would like to invite Nagina ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
He's not feeling well, that's why sitting here. Look, क्या हुआ जी? विजय अरे हुसैन उठाओ झंडा ऊपर उठाओ। स्कूल के आओ, स्कूल के सेंटर में आओ। खड़ो यार। Video is on now. Just click the photo. Continue.
यांका
I'm going, bye-bye. Happy Independence Day. Hey, don't do that.
Come, sir. Join the line. Going, boys.
खरीत
आयशा जी
वेट करो एक सेकंड मखदूम भाई के बेटे नहीं